on our way to Los Baños, Laguna. Sayang yung ganda ng kulay ng buhok. Di man lang ako magsuklay ng maayos. And even though overnight lang kami, we wanted to make sure na hindi kami mawawalan ng kuryente at internet. So, dinala namin si Romos Power Station. Tapos, we combined it with our PLDT Smart Home Wi-Fi na prepaid. It's just another spontaneous na lakad with the Karens. And since manonood ng concert si Nedina, sabi namin we can have dinner the following day. It's a 2.5-hour drive from Quezon Province going to Los Baños. And pagdating namin sa hotel, nakapagpahinga pa kami ng mga about 2 to 3 hours before we decided to go to UP Los Baños para mag 10,000 steps. Fun fact, this is actually one of my top choices back when I was looking for a school nung college, but that didn't happen, and this is my first time na bumalik ulit dito sa UP. We're here at, UP Los Baños, and our first stop is the, show me.
Choco milk.
Choco milk from Fresh Natural Loca Milka Creme, UPLB.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain, I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints, money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague, we all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name, all our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be, living in a time where disease is on every screen, I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering, negativity is a plague for the mentally weak, no mercy, all I got is working, never stop searching, never quench the thirsty, I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic, you can't stop it, it's been chronic, since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic, go! To last with the webs I'm weaving, I could change the past with all I'm achieving, got my foot on gas, never stop competing, if you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em, make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em, if you take off the cast, you can see all the healing if the pain.
And that is a success. We have just completed about so we just did one run and it's about 5,000 plus steps. Dito na ulit kami sa sasakyan. We're back to where we started. And this is such a beautiful sight. Such a beautiful sight. But our next stop is food. We are looking for food. And they said that they know the place. So we're just cooling down. Parang gusto ko ng water. And because may work si Papski, we just had to find a place to eat very, very quick. So we went to Raimundo Gate. It's just around 10 minutes from where we were originally parked. Tapos, pagka-park namin dito, nagdiretso na kami dito sa Raimundo Gate. And surprisingly, marami pala talaga ditong kainan at mga coffee shops. Ben asked me if I'm feeling Japanese, Korean, or Thai. And sabi ko, parang namimiss ko kumain ng pad Thai. And so we decided to go to this Thai restaurant. Miss ko tuloy yung, alam mo, yung university feels na kahit saan ka pumunta, may laundry shop, may coffee shop, may bukas na kainan 24/7. And whenever I look at coffee shops, ang lagi ko lang nakikita is yung mga taong may laptop, they're working, they're studying. Parang namimiss ko yung ganong vibes. Speaking of vibes, iba ang atake ng interior design nitong It's a Thai. So because marami na rin naman akong disappointments when it comes to Thai restaurants, I didn't expect much, but oh boy, I was in for a treat. I ordered Pad Thai Goong, which is yung shrimp. And si Napapski naman is yung Pad Kropo Mu. We also ordered chicken wings, which I forgot what it's called. But, girl, it did not disappoint. So this is their menu, fairly priced at malaki yung serving nila. As a matter of fact, hindi ko naubos yung pad thai pero sobrang sarap. Feeling ko isa na naman 'to mapapadagdag dun sa listahan natin ng mga kina-crave natin pag nauwi tayo ng Quezon Province, and I'm pretty sure that we're coming back here sa Los Baños to explore more food options. Very Instagrammable yung food, yung place, and I really feel na dinadayo talaga to kahit ng mga lokal or yung mga bumibisita lang dito sa Los Baños. Kasi imagine, less than 1,500, apat na kami na kumain. Sobrang busog, sobrang sarap. Sayang nga lang kasi may pasok nga si Papski, so medyo nagmamadali rin kami nito. But I am pretty sure na kung next time babalik kami dito sa place na to. Also, as you can see, may mga families na kumakain dito, and I think parang go-to place siya ng mga tao. And because of this restaurant, the game plan is dapat next time mas matagal na kami magstay dito. By the way, we stayed at Yahweh Spring Resort here in Los Baños. Sa dami ng pwede mong pagstayan dito, parang eto yung nakita ko na pwede kang mag-rent lang ng rooms, and they have this amazing swimming pool na sobrang linis. Sakto nung dating namin, bagong linis siya. So apart from the outdoor pool, meron silang mga lounging areas, and they also have this indoor pool which happens to be right beside dun sa room na pinagstayan namin. They also have a karaoke room, and meron din silang billiards table pero hindi namin nagamit. And apart from that, mura lang yung mga rooms nila. So, they have rooms for as low as 800 pesos if you book via Agoda. Yung room na kinuha namin is 1,500. So, nagdagdag na lang kami ng konti because this one, may sarili na siyang banyo. Overall, malinis yung place. I love it. Babalik kami. If there's one feedback na I can give them, siguro tanggalin na lang nila yung altar. I think it's supposed to be an altar. Delikado kasi siya. Baka may mauntog pa na guest, and pakidagdagan naman ng saksakan at saka mas maayos na upuan. But overall, for its price, its location, it's perfect. Babalik kami, and next time, mas matagal na.
Kalito na rin ito. Hindi ko nakabisado ito.
Josephine, pasok ka dito sa meter.
Oh, ay, oo, ano niyo?
Oo.
Umaga ako, nung naka-experience ako ng umaga na chef. Puta ganito, uuwi ka, ganitong oras. Parang yung Jollibee. Ganito pa rin yung Jollibee.
Oh, I closed. Oh, that is sad. Kung kaya, babalikan ko pa kayo eh. Yes, Dunkin. Baby, dito tayo dito tayo nagiinom nun sa taas, Mongolian.
Dito.
Hindi, dito, noon. Nung inakit kita na, sabi ko sa'yo, sabay tayong umuwi ng ano. Oh.
Ay, wala na yung ano.
Yung ano.
Pasi-bahisa.
Wala na yung ano yung nandun pa.
Sex.
Yes, that is the sex.
Ito pa cold brew.
Oh, do you wanna try? Fos? Last na. APAC.
Wala na yung pad thai. Dito yung pad thai.
Dito yung pad thai eh. Dito yung paborito kong pad thai. There. Naiiyak ako.
Final na. Dito lang kayo as a help me with my
Ate Ian.
so, it's like
Tama niyo si Sauce, si Pepper.
Nakabang na siguro siya ng kalamba.
Oo. Kami sabi niya eh.
Yung bag.
Ayan. Wow, as a single mom. Ay, ang ganda nung ano nila. Ba yun? O yung isang coffee project. Yung isang coffee project, no?
Sa kabila.
Oo, sa kabila yun.
Pero pagkain yan eh.
Ano? Dog food.
Pero